Mutumia wa Minister munene Tessi Mudavadi niwe Tessi Mudavadi nehanĩte macini 5 cia mwanya iria gũteithĩrĩria harĩ kũhatũra ciana iria iciaragwo itakinyanĩirie matuko kũrĩa kaunti-inĩ ya Uasin Gishu, thibitarĩ-inĩ munene wa kaunti ya Uasin Gishu. Macini ici iheanĩtwo kaunti-inĩ ingĩ 6 gĩcigo-inĩ kĩa Rift Valley nĩguo gũteithĩrĩria gũthara mĩoyo ya twana twa ngenge. Riboti cionanĩtie ciana nyingĩ nĩ ikuaga ni kwaga macini cia ũtungata ũyũ gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ, na nĩ harĩ bata wa thirikari gwĩkĩrĩra ũgũri wacio. Ũteithio ũheanĩtwo ĩrĩ ta njĩra ya gũkũngũĩra atumia ũreri-inĩ.
She's named her baby after me. Tessi. Baby Tessi. Yes. Kwa nyumba ni mama Tessi. Oh my goodness. Baby Tessi, ubarikiwe. Amen. May you be a blessing to your mother. Amen. And your father. Amen. God watch over you.
As we gather here to distribute neonatal incubators and incube blankets to Uasin Gishu, Elgeyo Marakwet, Baringo, Trans Nzoia, Nandi, and West Pokot counties, we must recognize the potential we hold collectively to inspire change, foster inclusion, and confront the stark realities of neonatal mortality and women's health. As I turn to our VIP guests, our expectant women sitting here, you are embarking on a miraculous journey. I sat and spoke with some of you. Many of you are on baby number 1, we can tell by your age. Some of you are on baby number 3, family planning. Your journey is one filled with wonder of creation. The journey of motherhood is a sacred one, filled with anticipation, joy, and perhaps a touch of apprehension. However, with our action today, we hope to ease your apprehension, knowing that if your little Malaika is too eager and comes out before their due day, he or she shall be in a secure place.
Why we have chosen to do this, because we have realized that there is so much death caused by pre-birth. And the reason why people or children or the infants are dying is because there is nowhere they can be put. There is no incubator in most of our health centers. And that's why today we decided that one of the things that we need to do to celebrate this day is that we need to give mothers to give birth in dignity. And one of the ways that we can do that is to make sure that every mother within the community, every mother in the village, everyone can be able to see their child alive after birth.